guys, I am here with Rosehip today and I will be creating a dewy makeup look by using their new Rosehip Marula Rehydration Oil. This oil has huge benefits. I absolutely love it for skincare as well as to be used as a tool under makeup. One of the key ingredients in this oil is rosehip oil, and I absolutely love this because it boosts collagen. Now that helps to brighten your skin and reduce redness. As you can see, I've got some rosacea around my cheeks. Now I've been using this for about 2 weeks now and it has helped to reduce it. It was a lot heavier than what it is right now, so I'm really loving the benefits of this. I've been clear of breakouts for a while and I can safely say it has something to do with this magic miracle that's in this oil at the moment. To show you the key benefit of using this as a base for makeup, what I'm going to do today is use it just on one side of my face, but you'll see the difference in the dewiness and the texture of my skin once the makeup has been applied. So what I'm going to do is take a few drops of this oil, apply it to the palm of my hand and apply it to the left side of my face and really work it in to my skin. It smells beautiful and it has a really smooth, silky texture. Because it's quite gentle, I can actually take it under my eyes too and really work it into the skin. So already you can see how dewy this side looks compared to this side. And when you're working any oil or cream, always work upwards. It really helps to lift your skin. So the first thing I'm going to do, being Asian, I have some pigmentation areas, so I'm going to colour correct the areas under my eyes and around my face. So I'm going to apply an apricot orange colour around my mouth area. And then what I'm going to do is go in with a concealer. I'm going to quickly go ahead and do the other side of my face. So now that I've colour corrected, I'm going to go in and use a little bit of foundation all over my face. Now using the beauty blender, I'm just going to blend that into the skin. Now already I can see this side of my face, it's got more of a glow than this side of my face. Right, I'm ready to contour my face, so I'm going to start off with a concealer and I'm going to conceal just underneath my eyes, at the bridge of my nose and just where the light hits on my forehead. And when I'm contouring, I'm taking the product from the tip and working it inwards. And then using my beauty blender again, I'm going to go in now and pat the concealer. And what I try and do is blend where I've contoured and where I've highlighted using one area of the beauty blender that I haven't used, so it creates a seamless finish between where it starts and where it ends. There is a clear difference between the dewiness on this side of my face to this side. And I gently add some translucent powder and pat it in with a big fluffy brush. Now using a bronzer, I'm going to go over the areas where I've contoured. I'm going to go in with a blush now, and what I'm going to do is just lightly apply it to the apples of my cheek and just gently taking it upwards. Just apply it to the tip of your nose. It just gives you that healthy glow. So I'm going to go in with a slightly darker colour on the corners of my eyes. Now using a darker colour, slightly darker colour, go in again to the corner of my eyes and really create some depth. Cream based eyeshadow, I'm going to go in and blend this on the socket of my eyes. What we did on top, we're going to bring down at the bottom. We're going to smoke our eyes lightly with a jumbo crayon, using the colours that we already have at the top to blend again underneath. And what I'm doing is I'm just blending it down so it creates that soft smoke. So I don't want to fill my eyebrows that much, but I want to try and soften them. So I'm just going to go in with a eyebrow mascara and pull the hairs of my eyebrows upwards so it creates a better shape. So I'm going to go back in. You don't want too much product at the top, and then I just work it like this. So I'm not going to use a black eyeliner for this look. I want to create a really soft look, so I'm going to go in with a soft brown. So guys, I've already applied my lashes behind the camera, and can you see how it really helps to just lift and brighten your eyes? I'm going to go in and do my lips now using a dark lip liner. I'm going to go in with Huda's Trendsetter. Now as it stands, it's a bit too dark for me, so I will go in with a lighter colour. So now that I've done my lips, I am going to spritz my face. So I'm going to go in here and apply some highlighter, and do the same on this side. So guys, this is the final look that I've created here at Baselift today. On one side of my face, I use the Rosehip Marula Rehydration Oil just to show you how it works under your makeup. Now I used it on the left side, and I can see a huge difference between the texture of this side of my makeup compared to this. Now I'm going to go in and show you closely what I mean. So I had rosacea on my cheeks, which I showed you that were quite prominent at the beginning. The rosacea area, I cannot see any marks or blemishes on this side, whereas on this side my skin on my cheeks looks a little bumpy because rosacea isn't flat, it has some texture. Now I can definitely see that more prominent on this side compared to the smoothness of that side. So I am so happy using this product, and it will definitely go into my makeup kit, and I can't wait to use it on my brows. Thank you Baselift for having me today. I've absolutely loved creating this look with you guys.